This 2025 Keystone Retreat 39 CLDL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9 and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Retreat 39 CLDL is 12,503 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.